Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So reading ito for Fire Sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Bago ako magsimula guys, papromote ko lang yung aking dalawang friend. Paki-subscribe na lang sila. Actually ito, kamag-anak namin. So, paki ano na lang, Charlotte's Fab World. And si Jing Tarot Reader, ito yung aking friend. Actually, siya rin yung nagbibigay ng personal reading. So, kung gusto mo, pwede ka sa kanya magpa-reading ng personal. Search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. At yan din yung kanyang YouTube channel. Start natin ang reading, fire sign. For fire sign, please. For fire sign, please. Para sa mga fire sign. Para sa mga fire sign, please. Spirit guides, angel guides. Okay, let's start your reading. This is for fire sign. Main energy mo. You do have your guarded, receive, and open. And you do have your karma. Some of you could be married or in a relationship with your karma. Maaaring in the past, nagkaroon ka ng mga pagkakamali or mga desisyon na parang nagbigay ng malaking pagbabago para sa'yo. Yung iba sa inyo, you don't have any voice regarding this. Nakakita ko ng marriage na parang pinilit or relationship na pwedeng, kung ikaw may nasa isang relationship, pinilit ka or masyado ka pang bata nung time na yon. Either ikaw yung nagdesisyon na may pagkakamali or ibang nagdesisyon para sa'yo. So, for what I can see here, it's like you don't want what you have right now. You're not happy. But this is your karma. You know? Nakita tayo dito ng mga mako-colorful na mga dreams and maybe you do have here receive and open. Let me clarify this. Iba sa inyo maybe yung mga dreams mo na yan, you want to know kung anong kaibig sabihan ng mga yon. So, yeah, you want to receive or you're still open for change. Yan, nakikita natin sa ngayon, you are well guarded. Hindi ka makaalis sa situation mo or hindi ka magkaroon ng pagbabago. Pero kung magkakaroon ng pagbabago, open ka dyan. No? Kung magkakaroon ng pagbabago, halimbawa may mga unexpected na pangyayari, hawag naman pero yung some of you pwede, ay kung mawawala itong partner ko, let's say, sabihin na natin sa makabila, okay lang, open ako dyan. I'm okay with that. Kasi, honestly, alam mo sa sarili mo na kung ano man yung situation mo, hindi mo to gusto. So, if ever there's a chance na magkaroon ng pagbabago, example lang yon na mawala. Pero yung iba sa inyo, maybe kung just in case, magkaroon ng separation, sabihin na natin ganun, open ka dyan, okay lang sa'yo. Why? Because maybe you're waiting or you're thinking na baka naman may mas magandang offer for me or baka naman itong person ko in the past or yung twin flame ko or yung soulmate ko maaaring mag-offer sa akin ng something just in case mawala na itong person ko ngayon. So, some of you nakakaramdam ako ng energy that you're already married or you're already in a relationship na yun yung nagiging dahilan kung bakit nagkakaroon ng distance or pagkakahiwalay sa inyo nitong person mo, which is you see this as your twin flame, you see this as your soulmate. And maaaring ngayong connection, dahil nakikinig ka na ng mga tarot reading, no, dito mo na-realize na atong person na to, siya yata yung para sa akin, siya yata yung twin flame ko, siya yata yung dapat na makasama ko, pero kaya nagkakaroon ng distance sa amin, kaya nagkakaroon ng hindi okay na connection sa amin, dahil dito. So, nakikita natin na open ka sa changes because you are thinking na might be, baka naman, pag nagkaroon ng pagbabago, ay dumating itong tingin mong taong para sa'yo. Okay, let's talk about that person. Sino ba tong person na to? Okay, one last shuffle. One last shuffle. Okay, thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Okay. Wait lang, I just saw something. Nakita kasi ako ng isda. Actually, kanina nagpakita na sa akin yung nagpaamoy na sa akin yung isda. Hindi ko lang nabanggit. So, I don't know kung kumain ka ba ng isda or yun yung ulam nyo. I don't know, something to do with fish. Or maybe bago ka manood ng video na to, you watch a video regarding fish. Something to do with fish, okay? Kung hindi fish, might be sirena or kalahating tao, kalahating isda. Basta something to do with fish. Anyway, let's get back to the reading. Sino the person na to? Remembers here and awakening. Yeah, this is the person that you always remember, lagi mo naiisip, and you feel like this is your soulmate. Reflection is here and growth. Self-love. Let me clarify itong reflection and projections. Let me clarify this. Okay. Ito guys if you're thinking about someone na parang hindi mo sure kung twin flame mo ba siya or wala lang siya, basta naalala mo lang itong taong to, feeling mo lang twin flame kayo. If you're thinking about that, the high chance is that hindi talaga kay twin flame nitong taong to. You just learned na twin flame kayo kasi nakaka-relate ka sa mga reading, especially sa reading ko. So, pakaramdam mo twin flame. Actually, hindi ko nakikitang twin flame mo tong taong to. Kung hindi ka 100% sure, kung gusto mo pa rin ng kasagutan, no? Alam mo yan sa sarili mo. If you're 100% sure that this is your twin flame, wag mong kunin yung part na yun. Kasi 100% sure ka eh. Alam mo sa sarili mo. Hindi yun nagki-question ka na, bakit magkamukha kami? Bakit ganito? Bakit ganyan? Kung ikaw yung questioner pa ngayon, hanggang ngayon, nagki-question ka pa regarding sa connection ninyo, na bakit ganun? Bakit parang may spark sa amin? Nung nagkita kami, bakit ganun? Nakita ko siya, nagkatinginan kami, iba yung dating. Kung ikaw yun, this is not your twin flame. I'm sorry to say, but I hate to say this. Sa totoo lang, ang kailangan mo is to release this person and tanggalin mo yung pag-iisip dito. Tanggalin mo yung pag-aalala sa kanya. The reason why lagi mo siyang naaalala is kasi inaalala mo siya. Okay? So, you need to focus on your growth. You need to focus on your growth. And wag mong pahirapan ng sarili mo. Wag mong isipin yung taong sabihin na natin hindi ka naman iniisip. Well, I'm sorry. Gusto ko sanang paggandahin pa yung words na sasabihin sa'yo para hindi na masyadong masakit or wala, Pero it's hard. If that's really the message for you, you need to hear it. Then that's the message for you. Kailangan ko sabihin. For some of you, kung ito ay talagang twin flame mo, alam mo, 100%, hindi lang dahil sa tarot-tarot mo narinig na twin flame ganyan. Maybe ramdam mo talaga, alam mo talaga, like ilang years na talaga, yung subok na ng panahon, sabihin na natin ganun, hindi buwan na, taon. Inabot na ng 10 years, 15 years, bakit parang pakiramdam ko, hindi pa rin siya nawawala? Bakit pakiramdam ko, pinilit ko yung sarili ko na kalimutan siya, bakit lagi ko siya naaalala? Pag pinipilit ko or wala na, halimbawa ilang buwan, hindi ko na siya naaalala, hindi ko na siya naiisip, mamaya-maya biglang mapapanaginipan ko siya. Anong meron? Bakit ko napapanaginipan tong taong to? Then, alam mo, guys, I will tell you this ha. Twin flames is not an easy connection. Hindi mo gugustuhin na nasa twin flame connection ka once na nandun ka na sa process. Kasi sobrang hirap eh. And also at the same time, you have a purpose. Kasi piling-pili lang ang twin flame sa mundo. Piling-pili lang sila. Hindi lahat ng tao may twin flame. Napaka-rare ng connection na ito. And they do have a purpose. Okay? Ang purpose nila is to change the world. Okay? Some of them, pwedeng nagiging tarot readers, like katulad nito. Some of them, ang purpose is to heal a lot of people. Yung iba, to help na mag-ano ng charity or what. Usually sila yung more on human or something na may ginagawang pagbabago dito sa mundo. Okay? So, hindi lang more on material ang focus nitong mga taong ito. Okay? So, ganun ang twin flame. Kaya sila piling-pili lang. Kasi piling-pili sila na magbigay or magawa ng big change dito sa mundo. Okay? Yun yung roles nila. And, the way I see this, some of you, if you're really thinking that this is your twin flame, that this is your reading kasi twin flame mo to, feeling mo siya na talaga, twin flame ko talaga yan, may purpose talaga kami. Ang purpose namin, tumulong sa kapwa, baguhin ang mindset nila, etc. Magkaroon ng charity, etc. Malalaman mo yan, especially if yung person mo is makatao eh, yung mahilig tumulong, ganyan. Pwedeng sumasama sa mga rescue operation, kung hindi man ikaw, siya. And then ikaw, mahilig ka magbigay, mag-donate, etc. Malalaman nyo yan eh. Parang may purpose talaga kayo sa mundo, no? Hindi lang kayo basta nabuhay. So, if you are 100% sure, itong person na to always remembers you, okay? So, para to sa mga twin flame na, no? Lagi kanya naaalala. Okay? Lagi kanyang naaalala. Alam mo kung anong ginagawa ngayon ng twin flame mo? This person is surrendering. No? Surrendering. Sinabi natin nagsusurrender in a way na nagsusurrender siya sa divine timing. Kung dadating ka sa akin, kung ibibigay ka sa akin, mangyayari yun. Yung iba sa inyo, you feel like stuck yung person mo or hindi siya gumagawa ng movement. But in reality, ikaw ang hindi gumagawa ng movement. Might be, hindi ka, nag-aantay ka ng pagbabago, pero ikaw mismo yung dapat gumawa ng pagbabago. Maybe, you need to be open para ma-receive mo yung person na ito. And because you are not open, you are guarded. Sabihin na natin, you're still in a relationship, you're still married, etc. Paano naman papasok si twin flame mo, diba? Ikaw mismo nasa relationship ka pa. Gustuhin man niya, sa totoo lang, na magkaroon ng something sa inyo. Paano? Diba? Sa totoo lang, ito person na ito, nalulungkot, nasasaktan siya. For those dealing with your twin flame, nasasaktan siya. Because, it's hard to control something na alam mong gusto mo. Diba? It's like halimbawa, nasa harapan mo, pagkain na gustong-gusto mo, that's your favorite. That's your favorite. You want to taste it. You want to eat it. Pero hindi pwede kasi may nagmamay-ari. Parang ang hirap. So, ayun. So, nakakita tayo ng ganun. Yun yung gustong mangyari ng person na ito. Gusto niya makuha ka, pero hindi pwede. What will happen in the future for the both of you? Sana nakarelate ka ha. Doon sa mga alam nilang, okay, nakarelate kami sa hindi twin flame. I'm sorry to say the suggestion here is to leave or forget about this person. Huwag mong pahirapan sarili mo. You do have your twin flame. Maaaring yung, wait lang ha, babalik ako dun sa mga hindi dealing with their twin flame. Maaaring kaya mo to iniisip kasi umaalis ka sa realidad eh. Ayaw mong harapin yung realidad sa harapan mo. Hindi mo gusto yung nangyayari sa'yo, sitwasyon mo. Mga nagiging problema mo. So, nangyayari, mas fino-focus mo na lang sa, oy, baka ito na talagang taong para sa akin, ganito ganyan, baka ito yung twin flame ko, ganito ganyan. Kasi in reality, hindi mo gusto yung nangyayari sa'yo. And para makatakas ka sa realidad, it's like you're dreaming, na nanaginip ka ng gising, parang ganun. And maybe this is your dream man or dream woman, kung tawagin. Siya yung gusto mo person. Sa kanya mo nakikita yung person na gusto mo gusto mo yung everything about this person, pero hindi mo mailagay sa reality dahil yung situation mo hindi okay. So, pwedeng ganun. Alam mo kung saan ka makakakonect, guys. You do have your twin flames and luck and doubt. This is for the near future. Confusion is here. Ayan. Cycle and completion. Natawa ako dito sa reading kasi alam mo kung bakit. Meron tuloy ako nakita ditong energy na some of you, dahil dito sa reading na ito, sa halip na hindi ka nagki-question sa connection ninyo, nag-question ka, hindi ka naliwanagan eh. Naguluhan ka lalo. I'm really, really sorry. Lalo na dalawang energy yung nakuha natin. One is real twin flame and one is false twin flame na tawagin. Bakit? Ngayon ba sa inyo, in the near future, ayan, you do have your luck and confusion. O ngayon, in the near future, pwedeng na naguguluhan ka, ano ba kami, twin flame ba kami or hindi? Tama ba yung sinabi doon or hindi? Ganun. And in the near future, I can see you making change the way you speak, the way you talk. Yung iba sa inyo, may mga gagawin kang changes, kung paano ka magsalita, kung paano ka mag-isip, and this is you focusing on changing your ways. I don't know, yung iba kasi sa inyo, ang daming pagkukulang sa'yo, na magfo-focus ka na lang dun sa mga bagay na marireceive mo, na maa-achieve mo. And maybe, ikaw ito na tinatry mong baguhin yung sarili mo by changing your mindset. So, yung iba sa inyo nandun ang focus. For some of you, with the chemistry, eto, let's talk about twin flames connection. For some of you, there's a reunion. Eto. Dito tayo mahahati eh. Itong right side kasi, lumalabas siya as the false twin flame. If you're dealing with the false twin flame, ayan, ito yung lumabas. No? Confusion, hindi ka na sigurado, twin flame ko to, parang okay, hindi ko siya twin flame, or twin flame ko siya, baka mali lang yung sa reading, etc. Pero, the way I see this, naguluhan ka sa connection, hindi ka naliwanagan, pero at the same time, mas nag-focus ka na lang muna sa sarili mo, which is kung paano ayusin ang sarili mo, sa pananalita mo, maybe yung iba sa inyo, may mga words ka nang ayaw mong babanggitin kasi baka ganito, ganyan, baka hindi maging maganda ang kakalabasan, ganyan. Gusto mo more on positivity, pwedeng ganon. May changes the way you look, yung iba, the way you look or the way you speak, the way you think. That's your energy here. And then dito sa side ng kabila, this is the real twin flame. This is the real twin flame that I am seeing here, yung energy. Ang nakikita natin dito, there's reunion. Because there's chemistry sa inyong dalawa. Hindi madi-deny din ng person mo yon sa sarili niya. Okay? Hindi niya yun madi-deny. Nakakamoy ako ng alak. I don't know if this is your reading, nakaka-relate ka sa mga sinasabi ko. Yeah, I can smell alcohol na alak. This could be a reading. I don't know kung may hangover ka ba or umiinom ka habang nakikinig. Reunion. So, tell me about this. What's with the reunion and chemistry? Venus is here. So, this person is coming back with an offer. Ayan o, yan yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, purpose. May purpose kayo sa mundo eh. Your angel guides, your spirit guides will try its best. Kumbaga dito sa connection na ito, hindi lang kayo ang nahihirapan. Hindi lang kayo ang dapat may gawin. Pati yung mga spirit guides nyo, angel guides nyo, they are the one helping you, the two of you, na ma-realize yung connection. Na, kasi purpose nyo, may purpose kayo sa mundo eh, dapat kayong magsama. Dapat kayong mag-complete. Ma-complete ang connection ninyo. May purpose ka, may purpose siya. When the two of you, hindi ko sinabi na hindi mo magagawa ang purpose mo without this person. Some of you, nagagawa na yung purpose nila ngayon. Nagagawa na yung purpose nila ngayon. Yan. Yung iba sa inyo, especially if you're doing something na, alam mong, maybe you are a tarot reader or something. So, ayun. Yung iba pwedeng nakikipag-cooperate na sa charity, etc. So, nagagawa mo na pa unti-unti yung purpose mo or nagagawa mo na fully yung purpose mo. I don't know. Pero the two of you, mas maganda pag may pag-merge or pag, when you become one with this person, mas magiging maganda, mas magagampanan ninyo yung purpose ninyo sa mundo. And your spirit guides are also helping you. Sabi ko nga, hindi lang kayong dalawa nag-work out dito sa connection nito. Pati yung mga nakabantay sa inyo, mga spirit guides ninyo, angel guides ninyo, they are the one trying their best na ipurso itong connection ninyo. Nakikita tayo dito ng reunion, reconciliation sa inyong dalawa. And tell me about I can see an offer in the near future for the both of you. This is for the real twin flame. Nandun na tayo. Especially pag nahanap mo na yung iyong self-worth. Ayan, you are not actually nahanap, but rather na-focus mo na yung pagmamahal mo sa iyong sarili, especially kung na-try mo ng gawin yung mga dapat mong gawin, self-love, self-care, being happier, yan. And you do have your action in the near future. Ayan, yan sinasabi ko sa'yo, self-care, diba? Like what I've told you. Pag nagawa mo na yung self-care, self-love, and giving yourself worth, diba? Yun na-realize mo, may halaga ka sa mundo. You need to focus on that. Pag nagawa mo na to, this person is coming with an offer and you do have your seed and spring. So this could be a sign na yung person na ito will take actions, and actually hindi lang siya, pati ikaw will take action para mag-work itong connection ninyo. So let me get the energy about the third person or yung nakuha ko kanina, diba? If you're already married or in a relationship, I want to know ano yung doon, near future or messages regarding that. You do have your guilt. Okay. So in the near future, family, yan. There's this family na involved, and nakita natin medyo magiging mahirap ang near future para sa inyo because there's family na involved. But let me get more cards for this. You do have here closed off and past or suffering. Ito kasi it's like a message na itong person na ito itong person mo na si twin flame mo, no? Magte-take lang siya ng actions once na nag-take ka na rin ng action. Don't get me wrong, hindi ko nakikitang magte-take ng action ito ng person na ito while you are still committed, while you're still in a relationship. So, yung sinabi ko kanina, yung near future mo, magte-take ng action yung person mo once na nag-take ka na rin ng necessary actions na dapat mong gawin. And for what I can see here, you are well guarded with your emotions or sa sarili mo because you have a family, you have this person, you are married, yung iba sa inyo, and you see this person as a past person, itong twin flame nito, wala na yung past na yun. Pero, ang pinapahirapan mo yung sarili mo eh. Some of you, what is the advice here? What is the advice here? Ayan, no? You're dealing with your karma. You're dealing with your karma. Anong dapat sa karma? Anong dapat? Ayan, no? Toxicity. This is a toxic connection, toxic relationship. This is your karma. Nakatali ka dito. And this is your present moment. Now, wala magagawa kasi this is you watching, spy watching, inspecting. This is you watching tarot readings. This is you knowing yung connection ninyo but still mas nag-focus ka pa rin sa panonood. I mean, the storm is here. This is showing as a ang tawag dito, tower moment sa ibang tarot cards, sa tarot reading. This is showing as a tower. So, ano kailangan? You need to end this. You need to end this. Kung ano man itong sobrang tibay na structure na ito, na connection na ito, maybe it's a contract, maybe the contract is here, marriage contract, whatsoever. Ano mang tibay niyan? No? Ang nagpapatibay niyan, yung pag-i-stay mo dyan. Because you're still staying in a connection na hindi ka nagiging totoo sa sarili mo. I told you, babalik kita doon sa gustong mangyari ng spirit guides mo, ng angel guides mo, ng twin flame mo. Anong gusto niya mangyari? You focus on self-love. No? You focus on self-love. Kasi, tsaka lang lalapit yung love na tama para sa'yo. If you release itong mga nagiging with the party, it's like a third party, yung nagiging extra dito sa connection na ito. If you release these people, no? Now, if there's a family na involved, sasabihin na iba, I cannot kasi may anak. Diba? I want to know what's the advice regarding that. What's the advice regarding that, spirit guides, angel guides? Apology is here, and you do have here winter and rebirth. So, I feel like hindi pa naman huli ang lahat. You just say sorry sa mga children or sa mga anak na to, and they would understand. And you start you start fresh with this person, with these people, with these children. Magsimula ka ng maayos na connection sa inyo. That's the energy. No, and you say sorry because hindi mo na kayang i-continue ang life with this toxic person, and kailangan mo mag-make ng decision. It's not because, guys, hindi mo to gagawin dahil iniisip mo na dadating yung twin flame mo, ha? Gagawin mo to dahil pabor ito sa sarili mo. Because you're releasing your karma, you're releasing this toxic energy. Yeah? You will do this for yourself. You will not do this for your twin flame. Para maging free ka, para makapasok na siya. If that's your mindset, if that's your thinking, your mindset, huwag mong gawin. Okay? Ito gagawin mong pagre-release na ito because bibigyan mo ng pabor ang sarili mo. Hindi mo na pahirapan ang sarili mo. At saka toxic masyado itong karma na ito. Yung karmic relationship na ito. You know? Nagigets mo yung part na yon. And yeah, you do have here rejection, loss, and fragment. So once you have released. Kaya may kita mo, it's like a person who is natatanggal or nawawala yung mga it is showing as a material thing or yung sarili mo, and it's like a soul, 'di ba? Pag nawala yung katawan, soul na lang ang matitira. So, pag nawala itong mga material na bagay, or sabihin na natin yung person na nakakonect mo ngayon, there's this union in between the two of you, ikaw at ang twin flame mo. So, napakaganda ng reading. And you just have to take the leap of faith and have this freedom for this person. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.